Hi, welcome to week 7. We are in our final stretch. You have done so much and you've learned so much. I think you have a lot to be proud of. In this overview, we're going to look at Pillar 1 and we'll ask the question, why design format and why portfolio? Guess I needed a question mark right there, didn't I? Why design format and why portfolio? So let's look ahead. Design format. Well, let's look at how we've been turning in our papers and how you traditionally turn in college papers at Baker. It's in the MLA format. And the MLA has its strengths. It is for academic purposes. It clearly shows the research. It clearly shows your name, the teacher's name, the course, the date, page numbers, in-text citations. It's all there for academic purposes. But let's face it, the MLA paper has weaknesses. That, if that MLA paper is sitting on a coffee table in an office, nobody's going to pick it up to read it. They're going to look at those magazines. So let's talk about looking at a magazine. A magazine is designed to pull in a reader. It's designed with columns so that the reading is quick and easy. Our eyes easily scan a column. It's designed to where there are quotations that are pulled out. It's designed to where there are flashy pictures and large text titles that pull our attention in. So we want to think about format as we head into this assignment. You're business students and you realize that sometimes your work needs to be something different than just plain paper and black ink. It needs to be something that really draws your reader in. You've seen booklets, you've seen pamphlets, you've seen newsletters. So we're going to practice that in this class, designing one of our papers. So you could choose the portfolio, you could choose the profile, or you could choose the proposal. And most students choose the proposal because honestly, a lot of our students show their proposal to their boss. So chapter 17 told us quite a bit about that design, and I'm going to look at that with you in the Pillar 2 video. So there's more to come in the Pillar 2 video. I'm just giving you an overview. So watch that Pillar 2 video for how to do this design format and more of why we do it. All right, so let's look at the next question, why portfolio? Portfolios offer archives for us. They archive the important pieces of your college career, and this archive gives you a reference. So you're going to have writing in the future. You're going to have writing in every course at Baker, and so hopefully this portfolio will give you a place where you can go back and look at what you've written and kind of get an idea or some help for how to complete your current assignment that you're on. This portfolio is going to have a cover page that gives a reflection that pretty much takes you through, what have I done? What kind of writing have I done in this course? What strengths have shown up through my writing, and what are some of my weaknesses? We're going to look at some of those common errors and get a list started of what you need to look for in common errors in future papers. Okay, so chapter 30 tells us more about portfolios, writing portfolios, and how to make a successful portfolio. And then I'll talk to you about it in more detail in our Pillar 2 video for this week. So I addressed the question, why design format, why portfolio? One more thing, this final week, we have an option to upload your design format. We learned so much from others, and others learn so much from us. In our face-to-face on-ground course, we bring these designs the last day of class and show each other what we did, why we made the decisions we made, and we get ideas from each other of, oh, I'm going to use that next time I have a format that I have to do at my business. So that's an option. I'd love to see that in there so that you can share your design with others. And you're almost finished. So let's head over to that week 7 Pillar 2 video where I'll tell you more about how to do the design format and how to build your portfolio.